All right, so let's jump right in. Perplexity just put out this awesome guide, and it's not just another list of tips, it's a whole new way of thinking about how to actually use AI at work. We're talking about moving past just playing around with prompts and into a real, solid strategy.
And they kick things off with a problem that, let's be honest, probably feels familiar to a lot of us. We hear all this talk about AI being this huge game changer for productivity, but when you actually try to use it, it can feel, I don't know, kind of chaotic and just a lot.
This slide just nails it, right? It's what they call the AI productivity paradox. On one hand, you have the promise, all this creativity, deep work, making a real strategic impact. But the reality? It's more like juggling a dozen different subscriptions, having your work scattered across a bunch of different apps and just completely losing your focus. Sound familiar?
So what if the problem isn't the AI, but how we're thinking about it? The guide suggests a totally different approach. Instead of seeing AI as just another tool you have to manage, think of it as a real partner, a partner that works with you in this really clear three-stage process.
And here it is, the framework itself. It's so simple, it's brilliant. Step 1, block out the noise and get your focus back. Step 2, use that focus to scale up your own talents. And step 3, turn all that work into real, concrete results. It just makes sense, right? Okay, so let's dig into that first step, because it's a big one.
So first things first, you can't do amazing work if you can't even think straight. And that's the problem, isn't it? The modern workplace feels like it's actively designed against focused work. It's just a constant barrage of pings, dings, and notifications.
Get this, 11 minutes. That is the average amount of time someone gets to work before they're interrupted. Just 11 minutes. And the price we pay for that isn't just a few minutes here and there. It's way bigger. It slowly kills our curiosity, our ability to get into that deep flow state and actually solve the hard problems.
Okay, so how do you fight back against this chaos? The guide's answer is pretty cool. You delegate it to AI. They break it down into two kinds of AI helpers. You've got your Comet Assistant, that's your thinker and reader. It's the one you ask to, say, read a 50-page report and give you the highlights. Then you have the Comet Agent, that's your doer. It handles all the annoying stuff like scheduling, filling out forms, the busy work. All right, so once you've used AI to create that bubble of focus, what's next? Well, that's where we get to the second stage, scaling your talents. Now that you have the mental space, you can really start to amplify what you do best. And this is a really important point. The idea isn't to have AI do the thinking for you, not at all. It's about putting your own skills and your own curiosity in the driver's seat. AI's job is to just clear the road, to get rid of all the friction between you asking a really smart question and getting a really great answer. This is where it gets really powerful. Think about it. With an AI partner, you essentially become a team of one. Look at these applications: market intelligence, strategic planning. This is stuff that used to take a whole team of people weeks or even months to pull off. Now, you can tackle that kind of deep research all by yourself. But you might be thinking, how do you scale up without everything starting to sound generic and robotic? That's where something like Perplexity Spaces comes in. It's basically a way to train the AI on your specific style, your company's voice, and your brand materials. So the output doesn't just sound good, it sounds like you. Okay, so we've blocked distractions, we've scaled our talents, but what's it all for? I mean, focus and scale are great, but if they don't lead to anything, who cares? That brings us to the final and maybe the most crucial stage, getting tangible results. Turning all this newfound power into things that actually matter for your career. Yeah, this is really where the rubber meets the road. How do you turn being more productive into actual career growth? It's all about using this system to produce work that doesn't just tick a box, it gets you noticed. It's work that has a real impact. And check out this powerful example. Think about performance review time. Instead of trying to rack your brain for everything you did over the last 6 months, imagine this. You tell an AI to analyze your projects, your calendar, even your emails, and then generate a report that highlights your biggest achievements, quantifies your impact on the business. I mean, wow, that is a game changer for proving your value. So, let's bring it all together. It really boils down to this super elegant 3-step loop. Block the distractions so you can think, scale your talent so you can do more, and get results so you can grow. It's not just a set of tips, it's a genuine roadmap for changing how you work with AI. And that really leaves us with this one big question, right? What could you actually get done if all that friction, all the busy work and administrative nonsense was just gone? When AI takes care of the noise, you get to focus on what really matters. Just think about the possibilities. To learn more and stay up to date with the latest in the world of AI and exponential technologies, visit exponentialtom.com and subscribe to the channel.